everyone, my name is Japati Bedi. I am the student of 8th class in Akal Academy, Shri Muktsar Sahib. Today I am going to perform an activity. The aim of the activity is to show that the synthetic fiber will melt before burning, but natural fiber will not melt before burning. To perform this activity, we need a candle, natural fibers such as cotton, bamboo yarn, and the synthetic fibers such as plastic material and plastic ribbon. Now we will burn the candle. Now I will take a cotton fiber in the front of candle. We will see that it will easily catch the fire and the smell will be like the burning of paper and the ashes will also like it. Now I will take a bamboo yarn in the front of candle. We will see that it will also catch the fire easily and its smell will be also like the burning of paper and the ashes will also left. Now I will take a polyester ribbon in the front of candle. We will see that instead of burning, it will start molding itself from the base where it touches the candle. Now I will take a plastic material in the front of candle. We will see that instead of burning, it will start melting. So the conclusion is that the natural fiber and synthetic fibers are different in nature, and the natural fiber smell is like burning of paper and synthetic fiber smell is like a chemical. So I hope you will like this video.